Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today in this video I'm going to share a short miracle story of Astaghfar. Reciting Astaghfar 10,000 times a day. I was a CA final student and I was stuck in the final group for 4 years. In spite of hard work, I failed each time by 2 marks or by 5 marks. Means that I failed just few marks and I couldn't clear my paper for 4 years. I was very depressed mentally. But on 16 September, I saw a video about benefits of reciting Astaghfar 10,000 times in a day. And I started reciting. My life completely changed after that. I started saying Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah 10,000 times a day. And on 26 September, my result was out. To me, it was completely surprised. I wasn't shocked because I cleared the exam and I became CA. My life is completely changed now. And alhamdulillah, just because of reciting 10,000 times Astaghfar in a day, I became CA. Otherwise, I was unable to pass my paper for 4 years. So it is just because of reciting Astaghfirullah abundantly. If you have any desire, any wish, anything which you want in your life, any dream, just start reciting Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah as much as you can recite easily. May Allah bless you with all your dreams, with all your wish, with all your needs, and you will get success in your life. You will get everything in your life if you start reciting Astaghfirullah abundantly every day. May Allah bless all of us. May Allah accept our prayers. May Allah be pleased with us. Ameen. Jazakallahu khaira.